Hi, I'm Max, and I'm cooking right now.
Hi, I'm Eddie, and I'm cooking right now.
I'm Clayton, and I'm cooking right now.
Hello there, I'm CEO and co-founder of Counterintuitive Cooking. I don't know why I'm in the kitchen right now. With Sous Chef here, I can do all my cooking completely remotely.
The average American spends 17 days a year doing meal preparation and cooking, and they spend 325% more to eat out instead of cooking at home. To combat these issues, we've created Sous Chef. With Sous Chef, we can give you that chef quality taste of eating out, but with the cost of eating at home. Sous Chef aims to be the Keurig of food, and by this we mean that we will offer familiar food brands in single-use meal trays. By partnering with these food companies, we can create recurring revenue by collecting royalties for using our patented meal trays. Additionally, Counterintuitive Cooking will be able to provide data analytics based on the data gathered from the user base. This is data that currently requires consumer surveys and focus groups to collect and can be very expensive. We need to raise $500,000 to make Sous Chef a reality. We hope you'll help.
Hi, I'm Eddie, and I'm cooking right now. What? Oh, the bit is we're not supposed to be cooking?